Hey there, car enthusiasts! Ever wondered how your favorite cars are put together? Let's take a fast-paced first-person tour of a car assembly line. Alright, we start in the stamping area, where massive sheets of metal are cut and shaped into the car's body panels. These giant presses can stamp out parts with incredible precision. It's loud and powerful here. Next we move to the body shop. Here robots are hard at work welding these panels together to form the car's skeleton. Sparks fly everywhere as these mechanical arms dance around attaching parts with pinpoint accuracy. Now, we head to the paint shop. This is where the car gets its shiny coat of paint. The body is meticulously cleaned, primed, and painted in a dust-free environment. The robots here are like artists, spraying the paint evenly for that perfect finish. After painting, it's off to the assembly line. This is where the car really starts taking shape. Workers and robots install the engine, transmission, and other key components. You'll see dashboards, seats, and wiring harnesses all being fitted with care. Let's not forget the trim line. This is where all the finishing touches are added. Think lights, badges, and those shiny chrome accents. Everything is double-checked to ensure the highest quality. Finally, we reach the inspection area. Each car is rigorously tested for performance and quality. Every detail is scrutinized to make sure it meets the standards before it's ready for the showroom floor. And there you have it, from raw metal to a gleaming new car, all in a day's work at the factory. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car content. See you next time.